Welcome to the CryptoNest. All right, so for MicroStrategy, I just want to make a recap here. So wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Actually, this could be also an A, B, C, so we need to be careful here. So we will know now, soon anyway, if it's going to give us a fifth wave or this was just a 3-wave movement. Also, in my previous video, there was a comment that someone saying I should learn to read or follow the institution flow. Yeah, well, we have so many different strategies in life. It's not one strategy is good. Following institution, yeah, sure, you can try. You will never move before the institutions, and unless you have inside information trading, because nowadays I don't really trust news, and the news when they pop up, maybe they are expired, and I don't know. So yeah, I know that MicroStrategy was there was a thing last year. Was it Morgan Stanley that they wanted to degrade the stock because it doesn't hold like all stocks that actually own more than 50% digital investment? You want to delist it, so it means institution cannot and companies cannot buy it anymore. I think MicroStrategy it won the fight. I think it didn't happen anyway for the moment. We never know. But MicroStrategy is working out of the box. Is kind of showing that you can auto finance yourself. Now I know some people that they think this is the end of MicroStrategy. I know that before, when Bitcoin was going up 1%, MicroStrategy was going up like 3%. Now it's pretty much, I don't want to say the same, but yeah, the ratio, we lost the ratio advantage. But this chart, it looks good. And this, it looks like it's at the bottom. If this is actually the top of the third wave, let me take the brush here, the pen. So we have an A, we have a B, and for this C wave, I can count a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4. Now, is this fifth wave finished? Well, this is the big question we need to ask, try to answer. And this is the area where a fourth wave should go. So, I mean, there are a lot of indication that hint us that this is a working rate. Now, can it go lower? Yes, it can. For sure, everything can go lower. I could even say, this was not a 5-wave down, and I can give some more room. And as you can see, I already put it here. This could be just a bigger A. We're going to have a B, like Bitcoin, and making a lower low, right? We still have room, and it can go to $56. Does it imply that this is going to go to 0? No, it's just following the chart. It's just following a fourth wave correction. Are institution going to start to pop up here? And well, more likely, yeah, right? What was it that I heard? Yeah, two weeks ago, I think. 2-3 weeks ago. I know it was Circle. Was it Coin or Circle? I don't remember. Huh. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. Let me double check here. Must not be Circle. Must be Coin. They were saying ARK Invest, they sold I don't know how many billions or millions, and well, was that a surprise? This is A, this is a B, possibly a C, and we're going higher, right? And the possibility that this was also not finished, and then we had a wider possibility of this fourth wave. So this was the A, this is the B, and then after, look at that. I don't know if they start to sell here or they start to sell here on our way back. So it makes sense. If you believe that this was a high B wave and we did a setting a 1-2, then yeah, it makes sense to start to sell there. Are we going to have a news soon that they're going to buy back or they bought back? Well, possibly, because institutions they get in and they get out when the chart probabilities for a major gain are profitable or more probable. Buying here or maybe holding the stock, well, for sure, a lot of time there are long-term investors, but if you know that a drop is coming, why would you keep it, right? So from the top of the B, we're talking about 67% correction. So would you have kept it if you have the knowledge and the tools to kind of predict probabilities very highly that it's going to have a major correction? So there you have it. So where I was on MicroStrategy. So for a moment, I'm not scared of owning MicroStrategy. For a moment, I'm not scared of MicroStrategy to go bankrupt, and I just believe this is the fourth wave. Now, as Bitcoin, yeah, MicroStrategy is going to follow Bitcoin, right? So if Bitcoin make a B wave, which I think is will do, then yeah, I'm not perhaps hoping or I'm going to wait to sell it to $1,000, but you know, when it starts to get back into the $272, I'm going to start to take some profits. If it climb higher, then well, every level I will take more profits. And scaling out from assets and just having cash to be able to scale back in a C wave if we have it. And if this is the top and this is going to make an A, a B, and a C, yeah, once again, $56. It is really possible for MicroStrategy and even lower, because I mean this could be just could be an extension, right? We don't know. Maybe you know. Bitcoin is making a super cycle and is making a 1-2, so it can go even lower, and after we can skyrocket. But yeah, potentially I do see more lower price long term, but short term I am looking forward for this rebound here in this area. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.